Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our latest analysis for this last week of the month of April. This is for today, Monday to Wednesday, April 25 to 27, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000. Okay. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set for today, Monday until tomorrow, Tuesday. It's been raining across portions of Luzon, particularly central and southern Luzon, Bicol region included, in Metro Manila, and some portions of Visayas. This is mainly due to the strengthening of the easterly surface wind flow and with the presence of the La Niña phenomenon, the rainfall activity is continuing to affect these areas. So it's like we are in the month of June, July, okay, minus the habagat, of course. So that will be the weather situation for this week, every afternoon, and even during the morning. Some thunderstorms and rain showers will be expected because of these easterlies. So the areas included are northern and northeastern Mindanao. That includes Caraga, Visayas, portions of Mimaropa, while the rest of the country will remain fair and dry, with lower chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms. We have here two frontal systems to the north of the Philippines. It's not a threat to our country. As we move into the month of May, and the intertropical convergence zone is slowly becoming active. We have here a surface trough in between that line of the IDZZ. But based on the recent computer models, no developing tropical disturbances or tropical cyclone is expected within the next 3 days. But moving forward for the next 10 to 14 days, there might be a possible formation of an LPA here to the west of the Philippines, which is not a threat to our country, since the forecast may track it more to the northeast. Okay, but that's only an initial outlook from the various computer models. Later this week, we are going to show to you what will be the outcome of that potential LPA, but luckily it will form to the west of the Philippines, including the American model, which we mentioned last week, that there might be a tropical cyclone formation, but the latest trend right now, it's been following the trend of the European model that is expected to form right here to the west of the Philippines, so no worries to us. Now, let's take a look at the latest La Niña update. This is the forecast until the month of December, January, February, moving into 2023. So the latest now, as we speak, the La Niña is somewhere here between 100 to 90%. So it's still ongoing. That's why we are experiencing this rainfall even during the time of hot dry season. And by April, May, June, so we get the midpoint that will be for next month. The La Niña probability will go down to 80%. Then May to June, it will continue to go down to just 62% or 61% by May, June, July. So it will coincide with the usual wet or rainy season of the Philippine Islands. And come June, July, August, during the onset of the southwest monsoon or habagat, the climate conditions over the Philippine Islands will return to normal conditions or neutral. That's why the La Niña and neutral condition is at 48%. And so on. And then by November, December, and January, we might be having a neutral climate, meaning it's normal, okay? No La Niña, no El Nino. Look at this. The El Nino probability is way too low. That's why we are going to return to neutral conditions beginning July, August, September until December, January, February of 2023. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest from the La Nina forecast by mid-April, issued this mid-April. And here's the fast animation. These are the intertropical convergence zone cloudiness and the easterlies across the eastern Philippines. Windy.com zoom in satellite animation. You can clearly see here some isolated scattered rain showers brought about by the easterlies across the Bicol region, eastern Visayas, most parts of Mindanao, particularly Lanao, northern Siargao, northern Soxajan, and Zamboanga Peninsula. And also there's one here over the Ilocos region in the vicinity of the Cordillera region or Cordillera mountain areas. And if we take a look at the rain forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, it will all be the same. We expect some isolated scattered rain showers and thunderstorms all throughout the country by tomorrow afternoon, Tuesday, and Wednesday afternoon. Still, rain showers and thunderstorms will shift more to the areas of the Visayas and Mindanao, some portions over the Bicol region, and on Thursday afternoon, it will still be the same. Some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected all throughout the country because of the ongoing La Nina phenomenon and the strengthening of the easterlies. Here's the rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days. As you can see, wide swath of central and southern Philippines is under the influence of accumulated rainfall because of the easterlies. So we mentioned the islands of Mindanao, Mimaropa, Visayas, portions of Bicol region, and eastern sections of Central Luzon. Some areas will still have some showers, but with medium to lower probability. And if you take a look at the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days until Thursday, it's all the same. The winds will be coming or blowing from the easterlies. So we expect afternoon thunderstorms to prevail every afternoon or sometimes in the morning because of this strengthening easterlies. So far, there's no tropical cyclone formation for the next 3 days. And with that, I will end now the update for today, Monday. And we will return on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather from Typhoon2000. This is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Be #weatherwiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel.